I just wanted to deliver a quick news announcement. A comrade and friend, Marty Rifles, aka Martin Droll, was murdered back in May, and we're just finding out now that he was killed. If you're familiar with his work, he appeared on RT several times with regards to North Korea and other subjects. He was also formerly a member of the Korean Friendship Association USA. His death occurred in a very suspicious manner, which the police are refusing to investigate. I don't have many details right now, but in a day or so I'll have a video about it, giving more information on his suspicious death. At this point, myself, his family, and many of his friends insist that he was in fact murdered.